everyone, this is the last FPS, and I am drawing Cresentia, the goddess of dreams, into the 30 Goddess project. So, as you can see, I've already gotten started. And I tried to do a tutorial video, but it just got cut off at around like 8 minutes, so I'm gonna try to do my best to like not take that long at all, because yeah, that was weird. So shoot, I forgot what I was going to say. That's okay though, because I don't plan scripts for anything. So for the color of the dress, I'm gonna go for a bit of a gradient style. For this, for the top, I'm using amethyst purple. It's like the only real purple I actually have, which is a bit sad. But I can always use my other amethyst purple if necessary. I know I'm not really paying attention to my phone camera at all and just looking at the drawing instead, because I want to see what I'm doing while I'm filming, and I can't multitask like that. I'm sorry. If you're wondering what I use to draw with for art, I use Arteza colored pencils that are expert level, and they're just really good. They're really high quality, and they're just so great to use. I've been using these for like a few years now. So for this one, for this part, I'm using eggplant purple. Please don't think of the other thing. I swear to God if you do. Now that that's done, I'm going to use lavender. I know I'm not doing a whole lot of talking, I'm just trying to concentrate. That's just the thing I do whenever I'm drawing. It's just I always do my best to concentrate. It just takes away a lot of my attention to other things. And also, yes, I am trying to pay good attention to the timestamp on this. So, yeah. And also, mind the noises in the background is just outside. It's just the noises outside. That is if you can hear them. For this one, I'm going to use lilac. I should probably sharpen this. And I can't sharpen it with a manual sharpener because these are expert level colored pencils. So they aren't like ordinary colored pencils. These are very high quality, and I actually recommend you go check out Arteza colored pencil supplies, or just their art supplies in general. They have really good high quality there. I highly recommend it. I cannot be sponsored anyway. Also, Cresentia, before anyone asks, Cresentia is based on Cresselia, in which she's going to have a polar opposite of Dreams and Nightmare, which is going to be the next polar opposite that I'm going to make. Also, yes, I know that doing videos takes me a while, actually. I don't like doing videos too often, but I'm too lazy to make a bunch of content, if I'm being honest. Alright, next I'm going to switch to peony pink. Of course, my art skills over the years have gotten better, I think. we're at the 5-minute mark. So hopefully I don't take up too much storage on my phone, because that would be terrible. Last part, and I'm going to try to make this quick, is pink macaroon, which is what I use for blushing. And there you have it. She's almost done. I just need to do a bit more white highlighting and stuff, and color in this part, and color in the wave, and then do a bit more shading within that, and then she will be done. Alright, 6-minute mark. Let's go. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and what you think about her, and subscribe if you want more art tutorials like this. See you next time. Bye!